What's going on? Michael Petty here. So I heard something on a podcast today, and I'm gonna say I never heard it before, but I never heard it said this way. I guess it's more simplified. Never reinvent the wheel. Just find out how to make it spin faster, right? Find out how to make it work better for you. But you always hear, don't reinvent the wheel. And you don't have to, because the wheel is already spinning, right? So if you reinvent it, you might mess the wheel up. You may have a little nick in it, you may have a little curve in it, and it may not roll correctly, right? So the whole idea is, instead of reinventing it, make it spin faster, okay? When you're building a business, in what ways can you get leads to come in faster? Well, if you're like me and it's not really trying to find a way to get more leads, but get more quality leads. You want people to connect with you, because people join people. So instead of just driving them to a lead capture page only, what about having a way that they can call you, email you, right? Have a conversation with you before they even get involved in opportunity. Because what a lot of people are looking for is the right person to join. They already know they want to join the opportunity you're in. Sometimes they're looking for that person that they can say, oh, that person can help me. They're sharing knowledge. They're giving ideas that I can use that can further me in my opportunity. So if I join them, I'm going to get the information I need. Like in our, right, for our G1000, G2000 members, we have a private team chat where you can ask your questions, get your answer. And there's like multiple people in there. It's not going to be just me and you. It's a one-on-one, okay? It's going to be me, you, Sean, Matthew, Victor, Quincy, just to name a few people who have been doing this for a while, who can give you the answers. So finding the right vehicle is a good thing. Believing in a vehicle is another thing. Believing in yourself first, really, and believing that you can do that. Then aligning yourself up with the right people that can push you forward. So with everything being aligned, it makes it simpler, not easier, because you still have to put the work. You still have to put the work in, right? You still have to find out what works for you. Because what I do, what Sean do, what Matthew do, right? Their methods, their styles may not be work. But one thing I know for sure that work all across the board is people connecting with people. You can't avoid that, right? It's gonna always be that. Think about it. If that was the case, these major stores do have self-checkout. That's just to move people faster. But they always have the cashiers, because you still need people in there working. You need people to stock the shelves. Because think about it, would you go into a complete automated store where there's no people, no one that can really help you, no one that can answer your questions? It's going to take human beings for that. Human connection. People need humans. That's the way God made it. If you want to align yourself with us, my phone number is down below. My phone number is, you can text me, 1-404-997-3390. Give me a text. Say, Mike, I want to talk with you. I want to find out what you're doing at Exitus Elite. I got some bonuses I can talk to you about. You can email me. My phone number and email is down in the description. Also, the link to check out what we do. You can see how the lead capture page work, the follow-up work, the sales team work. You can see how everything works, right, as the process of what your people are going to go through. And once you get started, you'll see in the back office, person open up the email, person watch the video all the way through, a person confirm the email. It tells you step by step what the people do. So you already know what's happening. You already know what's going on, and you can gauge it by that way. So if you want to get lined up with us, click the link down in the description, contact me, and we'll get you going. Appreciate you for taking the time to watch this video. My name is Michael Petty. Talk to you soon.